Kadalundi River. This river is one of the 4 major rivers flowing through Malappuram district in the Indian state of Kerala. The other 3 are the Chaliyar, the Bharathappuzha and the Tirol River. This rain-fed river is 130 kilometers long and is one of the most important rivers in the district. I'm standing on the Kadalundi Bridge, which is like a border between Malappuram and Kozhikode district. The river meets the Arabian Sea after crossing the bridge. There are attractions like Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary nearby, which offers boating service through the mangrove forests and sightseeing of migratory birds. What you see are the roots of the mangrove trees and not their branches. Only because of these strong roots, these trees are able to stand so tall. Renting a boating service costs 800 Indian rupees per hour. The boating service starts early morning around 7 am. Be early to watch the migratory bird in the area. They take us through the mangrove forests and it's a really great view and feeling when we go through those forests. The guide will provide us with safety jackets when entering the boat. Details are given in the description of this video along with the location details. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you, and have a nice day.